Hey guys, Jack Days in. Today we are playing another game, and so yeah, I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me last video about the glitch. Be sure to check that out. Also, we are going to announce something. So we have currently 23 or 24 subscribers. If we get to 50 subscribers, I know that's a lot. If we get to 50 subscribers, I will be giving away 5 packs. You can't hear that? I will be giving away 5 packs to 5 lucky subscribers. So stay subscribed, stay tuned, turn post notifications on, bell on, and like videos, much more. It's all you need to do, and that'll be basically it. That's all of it for the video, really, because, yeah. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. Goodbye. Let me just, yeah. Bye. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Bye.